Hello and welcome to Tipsmix. We are here again with a brand new video. Tipsmix, a hub of tips, hacks and solutions. Today we have a recipe of Swiss roll cake. A 5-minute recipe that can be done with the help of just a frying pan. Super easy and quick. So let's begin. You need a 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, cocoa powder 1/4 cup, baking powder 1/4 teaspoon, half teaspoon of vanilla essence and 3 eggs. Sieve all the dry ingredients in a bowl to avoid lumps. Now take it aside. In another bowl, take 3 eggs. Add sugar in it and whisk until it becomes light and fluffy. It's time to add vanilla essence and whisk it again. Now gradually add the flour mixture in it and mix it well. Please don't add the entire mixture at a time. Here you need to apply cut and fold method. Cut the mixture and then fold it gently. Here our cake mixture is just done. Grease the frying pan with the help of butter, or you can use the oil as well. Pour the batter in the pan according to the size of the pan to make a thin cake. Thickness of cake should not be more than 1 cm after cooking. Cover the lid and cook it for 5 minutes in a low flame. Check it with the help of a toothpick. Switch off the flame if your toothpick is clean. Now gently take the cake out. Now place the cake in parchment paper and roll it with the help of parchment paper in hot condition. Let it come into the room temperature. You can keep it in the fridge also. It's time to unfold the paper. Now the cake is really flexible. Now cut the both sides of the cake. Follow the video. It's time to apply the whipped cream layer. Apply it gently. You have to make a smooth layer of cream. Now let's roll it down. Follow the video for more perfection. This part is a little bit tricky. You have to handle it gently. And it's almost done. Now make a tight roll and wrap it. Keep it in the fridge for 1 hour. Here it is. Now see how the final look is. It's just perfect. It's time to add some cocoa powder to make it even more pretty. And some design as well. Here it is. Now see how the final look is. It's time to add some cocoa powder to make it even more pretty. And some design as well. Here it is. Now see how the final look is. It's just perfect. It's time to add some cocoa powder to make it even more pretty. And some design as well. And some design as well. Here it is. Now see how the final look is. It's just perfect. It's time to add some cocoa powder to make it even more pretty. And some design as well. Now it's time to cut the roll carefully. And here is our yummy final look. Bye bye, hope you'll be liking our video. For more suggestions, comment us below. See you soon.